guys, welcome back to Sometimes and Tots and Friends. It's Sunshine. Today we're going to be trying my cookies I made earlier. So these are how the cookies turn out. For example, I have one right here. It looks scrumptious. Right here, there's a whole big tray. And we are going to be trying some. Okay, let's get started. Blaze121 is upstairs doing some work. Okay, let's just try some. I don't want my bite. This is good. I love it. From a scale from 1 to 10, I'll give it a 9 out of 10 because it's a little hard. But I really love it. And this cookie is very good. Just like a tea biscuit with some chocolate. I don't like a tea biscuit's like more flavorful. I really enjoy making this. So they're really good. I do really recommend guys doing this. I have my chocolate dipping sauce. If you wonder how I made the dip sauce, I'll show you. You will be taking a little bit of chocolate. You're going to take 2 teaspoons chocolate chips and melt in the microwave and dip your cookies in it. These are good tea cookies too. I saw them flatten a little bit because it was a little puffy and chubby. It's a little chubby. Oh, good. Okay guys, that's it for today's second video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share my channel and my video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you should do next. And don't forget to click the notification bell